Rolling waves. Understanding the ebb and flow of English phrases. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the world of English idioms and phrases. Specifically, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, rolling waves. This expression paints a vivid picture and is used in various contexts. Whether you're a language enthusiast or just curious about English idioms, this video is for you. The phrase, rolling waves, refers to the continuous, rhythmic movement of waves in a body of water, often the sea. It's a metaphor used to describe something that is continuous and relentless, much like the unending motion of ocean waves. This phrase is not just about the waves themselves, but also about the sense of ongoing motion and change they represent. Now, let's see how rolling waves is used in different contexts. Here are a few examples. 1. Emotional context. Her emotions came in rolling waves, overwhelming her at times. This usage illustrates how feelings can surge and recede, similar to ocean waves. 2. Nature descriptions. We sat by the shore, watching the rolling waves. Here, it's a literal description of the sea. 3. Metaphorical use in challenges. Challenges in life come like rolling waves. They keep coming one after another. The phrase can be modified slightly while retaining its essence. For instance, rolling waves of change, emphasizing the constant evolution in a situation. Like rolling waves, used as a simile to compare something with the nature of waves. Rolling waves is a popular phrase in literature and media, often used to evoke emotion or depict nature. It appears in poetry, novels, songs, and even in film dialogues, showcasing its versatility and poetic appeal. Thank you for joining me in exploring the phrase, rolling waves. I hope this video has enriched your understanding of English idioms and their beauty. Remember, language is like the ocean, vast and filled with wonders. Keep exploring, and you'll discover more fascinating aspects of English. See you in the next video.